Hello everyone, Christina here. I have a video for you. This is an unboxing of the very first watercoloring snacks. I actually work with the Art Snacks crew on the lettering snacks box. So if you want info on the lettering snacks box, which is supplies for lettering, I'll have that linked up in the top corner. But when I saw they were coming out with a watercolor quarterly box, I was all about that. So mine just came. In fact, it came over the weekend while I was out of town, and I just came home and I can't wait to open it, and I thought I would do an unboxing. So it comes in a bubble wrapped mailer, and I'll just open this with my scissors and we will see what is inside. Okay, so nice big thick box. Oh, it's upside down. Here we go. Watercolor snacks. I'm excited about this. All right. Share your unboxing with us. Hashtag Art Snacks. I'll do that. Oh. I see a peek of something that I really have been wanting to try. Okay, here we go. Okay, first item in here is Core Watercolors High Chroma Colors. 6 5-milliliter tubes of color. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and just open this real quick. I'm gonna hold on to this in case I need the color names, but that's a nice tin. Ooh, I like this. You can mix your colors over here. Okay, so these are some pretty good sized tubes. Quinacridone gold, green gold, cobalt teal, transparent, Pyrrole green, quinacridone magenta, and dioxazine purple. So I can't wait to try those out. All right, here's our snack. I have an orange Airhead. It's still soft. Always a good sign. Ooh, brushes. Yay. Okay. I'm going to, let's see, can I open them down here? I can. I like that they're in a bubble wrap. You know, it keeps them safe. Okay, it looks like they are all Princeton Velvet Touch, and there's a size 4 round, a long round 8, and a 3/8 inch angle shader. So that'll be really fun to try out. They're very soft. So fun. Okay, we also have, a Plum Chester number 4 marker. Okay, so it's got a pretty fine tip. That'll be great. Have to test that out, see if it's waterproof. Probably is, considering. And then a watercolor pad. I've got to get this out here. All right, and then there is a Winsor & Newton cold press watercolor paper. 140 pound. Looks like there's 12 sheets and it's 9 by 12. So I've never tried Winsor & Newton watercolor paper, so this will be fun. I don't know if it's cotton or what. Does not say. So we'll try this out. We'll see what it's like. And they also include a card with info on everything that is in the box. Let's see what it says about the paper. Cellulose wood pulp. Awesome. Okay, and then the Plum Chester fine liner is, let's see, it's for finishing work, pigmented black ink. The ink is waterproof when dry, but be sure to give it a few minutes to dry completely just in case any bleeding occurs when mixing with watercolors. So just give it some time to dry. Amazing. And then there's some tips on this other side. Also, another thing that comes with these boxes is you get like a video lesson using the supplies from the boxes. So I'm actually the person who does the video lessons for lettering snacks. So I know a little bit about that. So I'm excited to have, to go and kind of be a student for these other lessons for the watercolor snacks box. So I'll have a link down below if you want to check out watercolor snacks or lettering snacks or art snacks. Art snacks is actually a monthly box, and they'll send you a few supplies to play with your art. They have 2 quarterly boxes. There's lettering snacks, which we are just about to come out with our 4th lettering snacks box, and then watercolor snacks just barely started. This was the very first box. So I hope you guys will check that out. Thanks so much for watching today's video, and I will see you guys very soon.